At the heart of York, Pennsylvania, the Harley-Davidson factory hums with precision and pride. Every 2 minutes, a new Harley-Davidson motorcycle rolls off the assembly line, each one taking roughly 25 hours to transform from a raw frame into an iconic machine. These assembly line workers, earning an average of $23 per hour, pour their passion into every bike. Some even say they'd do it for free. You're watching the first step in production at Harley-Davidson's massive York facility, spanning over 230 acres with 1.5 million square feet of production space. Here, fenders, fuel tanks, and body parts are pressed with precision. While some parts are sourced globally, including from China, the heart of every Harley, the engine and driveline, is proudly built in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, with frames assembled right here in York. The production line is a symphony of efficiency. Motorcycles move along a central conveyor, with workers completing tasks at each station in just 80 seconds. Watch as robotic arms weld the main frame with pinpoint accuracy. These finished frames are then transported to a central warehouse ready for the main assembly line. Harley-Davidson blends cutting-edge technology, think CNC machines and robotics, with traditional hand assembly. Roughly 70% of each Harley's parts are made in the USA, reinforcing the brand's Made in America ethos. All Harleys sold in the United States are assembled in either York or Milwaukee. Next, welded parts head to the paint shop for powder coating, a dry finishing process where charged pigment particles are sprayed onto metal surfaces, then baked to form a tough, uniform finish. Workers program robotic machines and monitor the process via screens, ensuring flawless results. This fluid spraying method minimizes waste, making it highly efficient. These yellow and orange robotic arms handle cylinder heads, critical components housing intake and exhaust valves, spark plugs, and the combustion chamber. Automation like this allows Harley-Davidson to maintain continuous production, where even a brief malfunction could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. While robots handle precision tasks, skilled workers bring the human touch. Here, an experienced technician assembles crankcases, combining multiple parts with expertise. Harley-Davidson employs around 5,800 workers, with the majority working on the main assembly line or in sales. Each worker is trained for a specific task, mastering it to ensure unmatched quality and consistency. Last year, Harley-Davidson sold approximately 170,000 motorcycles worldwide, with 100,000 in the U.S. alone, driven by growing demand in India, Europe, and Latin America. By comparison, Honda sells over 17 million units annually, highlighting the exclusivity of owning a Harley, a true hog. In the central warehouse, hundreds of completed engines are stored, each labeled and matched to a specific motorcycle model. At York, heavyweight models like the Touring, Trike, and CVO lines come together. The process begins with frame assembly, followed by the engine, suspension, wheels, and electronics, a complex mechanical puzzle. Meanwhile, the Menominee Falls plant near Milwaukee produces the iconic Milwaukee 8 engine, powering Harley's larger bikes. One of the most hands-on phases is bolting the motorcycle together. Every component, from the engine to the controls, is carefully installed in a precise sequence to maximize efficiency and minimize errors. Team leaders oversee each workstation, ensuring quality and keeping production on track. Before a Harley leaves the factory, its engine undergoes rigorous testing on a dynamometer, or dyno. This ensures reliability, consistency, and the powerful performance riders expect, that unmistakable Harley sound. A deep rhythmic potato-potato rumble comes from the V-twin engine's unique design and uneven firing intervals. Founded in 1903 by William S. Harley and Arthur Davidson in Milwaukee, Harley-Davidson has a storied history. During World War II, the company produced over 90,000 WLA Liberator motorcycles for the U.S. military. Today, Harley invests heavily in automation for tasks like painting and welding, while preserving the craftsmanship that defines the brand. Now let's visit Indian Motorcycles, Harley's historic rival, at their Spirit Lake, Iowa facility. Founded in 1901, Indian is America's oldest motorcycle brand, now operated by Polaris Industries. Here, approximately 550 skilled technicians hand-assemble every Indian motorcycle, producing over 30,000 units last year, with 64% sold in the U.S. Production begins in the design studio, where full-size clay prototypes are sculpted to perfect each bike's look and aerodynamics. At Spirit Lake, every Indian model, like the premium Chieftain Elite Black Hills Silver, is assembled with meticulous care, blending modern performance with classic style. Take the Indian Challenger Dark Horse, powered by a liquid-cooled Power Plus V-twin engine. Its strong low-end torque and high-revving performance contrast with Harley's air-cooled V-twin, offering riders a distinct experience. While Indian relies less on automation than Harley, both brands share a commitment to skilled craftsmanship. The rivalry between Harley-Davidson and Indian motorcycles spans over a century, rooted in American innovation and a passion for the open road. Both brands produce powerful V-twin cruisers and touring bikes, yet their unique designs and legacies set them apart. Whether it's Harley's iconic rumble or Indian's modern performance, these legendary machines embody freedom, craftsmanship, and American pride. From York to Spirit Lake, these factories don't just build motorcycles, they craft legacies one bike at a time.